Welcome to Programming Mind Academy. In this video, we are going to learn data types and variables in PHP programming. So let's get started. So let's understand what is variables in PHP programming. To store any type of information in PHP programming, we use variables. So let's assume we need to store the information like names of people or anything, then we can store it in variable. Let's assume we need to store any type of data like cultural, scientific, financial, statistical, meteorological, natural, transport, geographical. So we can store it in variables. So let's understand how to define variables in PHP programming. To define variables in PHP, leading dollar sign is used in front of variable name. So this is one example where we are storing channel name. So we are using leading dollar sign in front of channel underscore name, and we are using is equal to operator and storing the Programming Mind Academy name into that. So this is the second variable we have declared here, and we are storing the age, which is 20, and we are storing boolean variable here, that is like, and it's true. So this is how we can store the variables or store the information into variables by using leading dollar sign. So data types to define variables in PHP. Let's understand that data types. So first is integers that store whole numbers like 10, 125, 4, 5, and 6. So in integers we can store the numbers, whole numbers. In double we can store floating point number like 10.52, 1.555, or any floating point number can be stored as a double. Booleans are only true or false, so we can store the information like true or false in boolean. Null means nothing. If we want to store null value, or we want to store nothing into that variable, so we can assign it as a null. Strings, name or description like a Programming Mind Academy, or any name, as we said in further videos, we can store it by using strings. Arrays, that is index based values, like we are storing here $array. It will store 20 elements, so we have stored the sentence or words after assigning it by using is equal to sign, that is subscribed now. Objects, user defined instances of a class. We will learn this in object oriented programming in PHP in upcoming videos. And last one is resources. It is special variables that stores the reference to external data. So let's assume we need to store any links or addresses of database connections. We can store it as a resources. So we are going to check now variables that is defined with different data types. So let's go ahead. So here we are storing number in the number variable. So we are using dollar is equal to 10 and semicolon. Here we are storing the percentage. It's a double type variable. So we are storing percentage is equal to 98.99 and semicolon. Here we are storing the boolean value in happy. So happy is equal to true. Then we are storing the name, it's string, and we are storing it as a PHP. Then we are storing array here of 25 elements, and we are stored the information as this is array. So this was and in this variable we are storing null. So is null will be storing null value, means nothing. So this is how we can implement or define variables in the PHP programming by using 8 different data types. And in very next video we are going to implement that in by using Visual Studio Code, and XAMPP client server. So yeah, if you like this video, subscribe to the Programming Minds YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please comment it on in the comment section. Thank you.